Hi, today I will show you Smplsale dashboard. First thing you see on a toolbar, name of your company, and a search bar for a customer. Customers are a most important thing for any business. So we have right up there on the top, you can type any customer name and it would land you to their profile. For example, if I put the name of, I'll put my name, it will come up and it will land you on my profile. If any special notes or alert I have set up for that customer, it will come up all the information, address, and all this good stuff that you look for. For more information, customer profile, please watch our video, customer profile. For now, we go back to the home screen. Let's go back to home screen, and in the home screen, after that, you see a user, of course, user email address and type of account. Are you super admin, or are you a user? Location code, you can change your password from here and you can log out anytime you want from here. Underneath, you see a tiles. That tiles give you information about your business. So you see how many customers you have. In this case, we have 1,182 customers. Um, Customer count this month to date. So how many customers you have created this month, new customers. Um, and how much you had month to date and last month. So last month, let's say we have a nine new customer, and this month we have only one, so we are falling back. We should do more, so get more customers. Same goes for the invoice, how much last month invoice we had and this month's invoice we created. So it gives you some kind of comparison from last month to now. And sales goes for the rest of the life of a business. It starts from 2015 or whenever you have started business. So in this case, it show you that you are progressing and your revenues keep going up every yearly basis. Underneath, we have a pending order. So when your sales rep place an order over the phone, they get the order from a customers. They create an order, and that order is then pending until the customer confirms it, or you create the invoice. Once you create the invoice, you can mark this complete and this go away from here. Next to it, there's a payment. You can see any period of time a payment you receive. So today we haven't received any payment. That's why it says done payment collected. Once you change the date, it will show you more payment that you have collected. On the left hand side, you see the version of a software. Every time this change, it means you got something get updated, and you could review it and you'll see what's changed. Home, we are currently at home. This will give you a list of your customers, inventory, invoices, leads. We have a fully lead system in there. Whenever somebody calls you, you don't want to miss any call. Sometimes people call to ask information. It's good to have their number and address or some sort of information that you can create the lead for it. And later on, you can call them when it's slow time. You can call them, and eventually, when they become your customer, the leads get converted. Order, products, list of your products, existing product, you can create new product, expense. So Smplsale is a full-grown income and expense software. It's not just like you could put income in there and you have to use another software, put your expense. You could put your rent, payroll, everything in there that tells you. So it gives you a perfect profit and loss report at the end. Reports, we have a tons of report in there. Serial search. Serial search is the essential for any kind of electronic or cell phone kind of warehouse environment. If you sell anything that you have that you can keep track number of it, uh, serial number of it, so you use that. That tells you if somebody brings, let's say, customer comes back to you and say, hey, I bought this phones from you guys and it's not working, I want to return it. You can always scan the serial number. It will tell you when they have purchased it from you or whether it's not your phone even. Yes, they have an invoice, but it doesn't have a serial number on it, or they don't have an invoice and you cannot match it, so you can keep track of it. List give you list of payee. So whenever you do expense, you create a payee, who you're paying. So this is a list of payee. Whenever you do purchase, it's your vendors, so you get a list of vendors. Payment list gave you a list of payment. You can see any period, the date payment that you have collected from all kind of customers. Deleted gave you list of your deleted customers. So yes, in Smplsale, you can delete the customer. So there's a customer you're no longer doing a business with them, and it's collateral is sustained as a list for no reason. You can delete them. Happen a lot of business go out of business. So you just want to delete that customer. You can delete it, but they can be seen on delete customer. You can of course restore them and they can bring them back. Same goes for the invoice. You can delete any invoice you want, and you can view it here. admin tool gave you a review of your settings and your user and restock phone. So restock serial number. So let's say somebody sell you, you have a phone. Most of the time happen that you buy a phone and you sell a phone and a back and forth item get lost. Sometimes you don't do refund, but now you want to sell it again. You can always restock it by here. So you can click on it and simply scan the serial number and it will let you restock it. Setting for your business, your name, address, and things like this. For more information, please visit Smplsale.com. Thanks for watching.